Oh, Jesus. This is my babies. This is Gemma. Hello. Say hello, Gemma. This is Mumbles. Hello, girls. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you're getting a bit heavy. I better drop anyone. Okay. Now we got a problem. Turn around. Okay. Yeah. Oh, God, you guys need a bath. I should be giving you one now. You reek. You smell. Like you've been rolling around in the dirt. Now, get me in the mouth. Let's see. Hello. How'd you hate people who go, put the dogs up and go, try and make them do stupid things? Am I doing that right now? No. You want to get down, don't you? Jim. Don't you, Jim? How you do? Oh, Mumbles, what the hell you been eating? You smell like ass. Not that I know what that was. Alright, girls, you up and down? Yeah, I wanted to get a shot of you anyway. Oh, yeah. Can I put you down there? You're getting heavy. Oh, you want to stay there, do you? My little girls. Okay, Mumbles. Fly away, Mumbles. Fly away, Gemma. Alright, you happy? Are you happy?